Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm supposed to be going for lunch for my boyfriend's mom's birthday, and I'm deciding whether or not I'll vlog today. If I do, you'll be seeing this intro. If you don't, it's because I only vlog tomorrow. And later on, I'm gonna go meet up with my best friend downtown. She's visiting from Ontario, and I'm super excited. But first things first, I just gotta slap some makeup on this face, and I gotta do it fast because I am really short on time right now because I started this late. Okay, so I'm all done with my makeup and we're about to head out for lunch. I'm not really sure if I'll film anything at the lunch just because there's like a lot of people there. I don't know if they want to be on film or not, so we'll see how that goes. And then as for the rest of the day, I will definitely check in. You'll definitely get to see the downtown experience with Hillary, and then I will film more of that tomorrow as well. And yeah, I'll just check in with you guys a little bit later. Guess what I have to do? Mascara! Hi guys, so I just got back from lunch. As you can tell, I have no lipstick left. And we just went to a fish and chip place. I didn't get any footage. But we did go to Dollarama afterwards. And basically just got things I need for the house. So like loofahs for showering, a new shower cap, some face wipes. They only had 3. I wanted to pick up like 10. Some towels for cleaning. That's it. But yeah, I'm gonna chill for like 10 seconds and then I'm gonna head downtown. But also, like, this mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I believe it's waterproof. I don't know if they're all waterproof or if I just accidentally picked up a waterproof one, but it's waterproof. Lovely. So we're heading down to Clarice's, also just Clarice on YouTube, and I'm gonna be staying there for the night, but we're gonna go have dinner with Hillary and then I'll leave my stuff there and then I'll go back there later. But anyways, yeah. Yeah, I'm not done. This is candid. So I'm here with Dylan. He's right over there. We are currently walking to meet up with Hillary at Cactus Club, and as per usual, someone doesn't want to be on the screen. So I spent last night with Clarice, and I'm sorry I didn't vlog. I was way too tired. But anyways, going back downtown, meet up with Hillary, Clarice is coming along for the bus ride, and then she's gonna go visit her aunt today. And then, yeah.
Oh, and our friend Jen is also coming from Ontario, so you might see her later.
Oh, yay! I'm with Hillary. She's gonna tell us where we're going today. We're going to Capilano Bridge, the suspension bridge. Rob.
Oh, hey.
So we're at Capilano Suspension Bridge. Oh my gosh. I can't even like... At the bridge. We're gonna go look for it now. We're in the park though.
You're gonna be like the perfect height for it.
We're about to go on the bridge, and it looks super scary and full. It's really high, super wobbly, super scary. Oh my god!
That's a good one.
Hillary's judging all our pictures. It literally looks like mushrooms growing out of the tree. Hillary, you get to go back on that. We're going up there.
Imagine we just Did you want a water bottle? They have one here.
You could get like a fake thermos.
Just left Capilano. We got some herbs from Rob's uncle. A lot.
Big bag. I missed my.
And now for some lunch. So we're just waiting for the C bus so we can get back to like Vancouver. We're in North Vancouver right now. Are you enjoying your smoggy Vancouver? Hi guys, quick update. So me, Clarice, and Jen and Mimi are all going to the beach. And I honestly fell asleep yesterday, so that's why it cut off real short and came to this. But anyway, I'm ready. I'm sleeping over at Clarice's house. Can you see her? No. No, as I said, can you see her? No.
Oh, I thought you said you're sleeping over.
Well, I did sleep over.
Oh, you did, but like that was...
I slept over last night. And now we're just getting ready to head out. And yeah, see you guys later.
Mashed potatoes and mashed cheese. Ketchup with a side.
And yours, Jen?
Oh, mine's the same, but no more cheese.
Oh, yes. Oh, and look at Jen. What did you get again? The flat white?
Yeah. Yeah.
So pretty. Okay.
This is a pepper steak pie. Steak from the beef, which is a cow, which is not kangaroo. Very good. This is so wild. I'm glad we just decided to walk around because there's no way we would have been like, you guys craving meat pie?
Okay.
Here we have the final pie. Apple crumble. It is also a pie, but instead of meat, it is now filled with fruit apple. Also crumble, which is apple with an oaty sugar butter bit. And it is cream.
Ooh.
It looks like a Christmas tree.
It looks delicious. We're at the amazing laughing statues.
Humor, cynicism, repetition, emphasis, individual.
Can't smell even moving with the same. It's pretty damn cool. I wonder how long it's taken.
Who knows?
May the sculpture inspire laughter, playfulness, and joy in all who experience it.
And we're all.
Oh my god, Shalika's vlogging.
Oh yeah, I'm vlogging, so.
So you might be on her channel. No one's in the water, which is very suspicious. It's probably pretty cold. Oh no.
Let's jump in.
It's the ocean, Jen. It's cold.
I probably need to bring the picnic blanket.
Oh, I should have brought the picnic blanket.
All done our beach day.
It was fun.
It was fun.